Hello South Africa. Police rush to stop harmless woman from cleaning a soccer field. Natalie Solomons, a community activist, was enraged when police officers in 7 marked and private police vehicles pulled up to an old soccer field in Bosmont in Johannesburg and tried to stop a group of women from cleaning it. Solomons says the way the police rushed to the soccer field was unbelievable because they never rushed to a crime scene like that. What is even more shocking is that a community member called the police on them, Solomons said. She said they were cleaning the field so young girls could utilize it as a soccer field. Solomons then counted the number of police vehicles that rushed to the soccer field. Police officers were standing at their vehicles not knowing what to do when Solomons told another female to take a video of the incident. She said this field used to be an old soccer field anyway, but because the municipality never cleaned it, it was overgrown with grass, and criminals used it to do drugs and other crimes there. She said the long-legged police officers were outside their jurisdiction. They were outside their authority, and not one of the Sophia Town police officers were there. She said they would continue to work towards uplifting their community, and if the government can't do it, they cannot stop private citizens from trying to help the children in the community. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.